Hey, what's up, you legends? This is Trading with Power Kings Media. If you guys want an absolute ripper of a shred, get the shredder 146. Absolutely hauls ass. So, anyway, just talk about this video we're going to be getting into here. It's for young guns with Ride Fast crew, and I'm so stoked to be able to be a part of this and compete this year. So, we're going to be putting together an edit, and I hope you guys love it. It's going to be set in the back country of Revelstoke. There's going to be a bit of clips from last year, this year, and a couple of years ago that we have actually stocked up on. Every sledder knows it's just being out on the snow with your buddies and absolutely ripping the snow. We've crashed a lot to get where we are now. So I hope you guys love this edit, and make sure you watch to the end. Drop any suggestions you can think about for this edit, what you guys want to see in the years to come. And if you guys want to see more of this stuff, then for sure we're going to be around. So check it out.
Fresh snowfall this morning, and there ain't no party like an up north party, because an up north party don't stop.